Hey guys, what's up? It's me Basant from Basant Tutorials, and today again I'm here with a new exciting tutorial on a topic: top 5 free websites to learn programming language. Now before making this video, I have also checked out some videos on YouTube where I found that many of the YouTubers have kept paid websites as a free website on their top list, and I don't think that's good. But in this video, I'm gonna show you only the websites which are fully free and provides us a step-by-step guide to learn programming language more easily, faster and efficiently. And let me tell you one thing, that this video is not going to be the full tutorial of any website on how to use, but in this video I will only highlight some features of top websites. And the link of every websites are given on the description, so check out the websites from the link given on the descriptions. So let's get started. Fifth website, Code. Code is a non-profit website dedicated to expand access of computer. This website is more helpful for those who want to learn basics of programming. This website includes pre-coding lessons. This website builds tools for students who want to make their own apps and games. Fourth website, Khan Academy. Khan Academy is one of the best free online learning institutions. It was founded in 2006 by educator Salman Khan. In this website, by step-by-step video tutorials, you can learn how to program drawings, animations and games by using JavaScript and Processing.js. Or you can learn how to create web pages with HTML and CSS. Third website, FreeCodeCamp. FreeCodeCamp is another best programming site to improve your programming skills. Here you can learn HTML5, CSS3, JavaScript, database, DevTools, Node, etc. In this website you can learn to code by completing coding challenges and by building the projects. Second website, Tutorials Point. Tutorials Point provides a new way of learning things in fast and efficient way. This website has step-by-step explanations along with working examples, and I think which is very helpful for us. This website has all major computer languages like Parrot, C, C++, Perl, MySQL, PLSQL, VBScript, etc. But whenever you got any problem in coding, you can check out its YouTube tutorials and you can fix out the errors. This website has more than 75 programming languages in its website. Finally, the first website is W3 Schools. W3 Schools is a popular website for learning programming online, and this website has more than 40 million unique visitors monthly. W3 Schools is a web developer site with tutorials, references and simplified examples on programming languages like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, SQL and Bootstrap, covering all the aspects of programming. The name of this website is derived from the World Wide Web, and this website is created in 1998 by Norwegian software development and consulting company, and this website is my personal favorite website I ever used. So guys, these were some websites on my top list, and if you liked my top list, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe this channel. And finally, thanks for watching.